Namaskar dosto, and welcome back to Kaun Banega Crorepati. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of mechanical engineering. हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एक कॉन्सेप्ट उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट जितना एक बिल्डिंग का ब्लूप्रिंट, द बिल ऑफ मटेरियल्स या बोएम। ये है मेटिकुलस इन्वेंटरी, द मास्टर लिस्ट, जो इंश्योर करता है कि हर नट एंड बोल्ट का हिसाब हो। दिस इजंट जस्ट अबाउट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये है एफिशिएंसी के बारे में, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस के बारे में, एंड अल्टीमेटली सक्सेस के बारे में। Whether you're building a car or a complex robotic arm, the BOM is your roadmap. What exactly constitutes this magical BOM? Simply put, यह एक पूरी list होती है of every raw material, component and sub-assembly needed to create a product. केक की रेसिपी की तरह समझो, but आटे और चीनी की जगह हमारे पास gears, screws and metal sheets होते हैं. Each item in the BOM is meticulously detailed. We're talking name, description, quantity, material, size, even the supplier. This granular detail is crucial. सोचो, 1000 specialized screws चाहिए, but production के बीच में पता चला कि BOM में thread type लिखना ही भूल गए. Disaster. The BOM ऐसे costly mistakes को रोकता है. ये एक डिटेक्टिव के एविडेंस बोर्ड जैसा है, जो पजल के हर पीस को कनेक्ट करता है, ensuring a smooth and successful assembly. Now, let's talk structure. एक well-organized BOM कोई haphazard shopping list नहीं होती. It's hierarchical, reflecting the product's assembly. सबसे ऊपर हमारे पास finished product होता है. मान लीजिए एक sleek new smartphone. फिर BOM branches out होता है major assemblies में. The screen, the motherboard, the battery, each with its own sub-assembly list. The motherboard, for example, आगे breakdown होगा its individual components में. The processor, the memory chips, the capacitors, and so on. This hierarchical structure provides a clear, logical view of the product's anatomy. इसी family tree की तरह समझो. The finished product is the grand patriarch, with each generation representing a level of assembly. This organization is crucial for production planning, inventory management, and even repair and maintenance. Section 4. Precision in Engineering. BOM and Accuracy. Engineering में precision बहुत जरूरी है. Measurement में एक digit गलत होने पर disaster हो सकता है. यहाँ पर BOM एक beacon of accuracy की तरह shine करता है. With its detailed list of components and specifications, the BOM ensures that every part fits perfectly. No more forcing square pegs into round holes. This accuracy translates to higher product quality, reduced assembly time, and fewer errors. इसके अलावा, the BOM facilitates communication between design and manufacturing teams. Everyone is on the same page, working from the same master document, minimizing misinterpretations and costly rework. Remember, in engineering, time is money and accuracy is king. The BOM reigns supreme in both domains. Cost control and efficiency. BOM's impact. Let's talk rupees and pays. The BOM is a powerful tool for cost control and efficiency. It allows manufacturers to procure materials cost effectively. Bulk discounts, alternative suppliers, all become clear. The BOM helps optimize inventory management, minimize waste, reduce storage costs, and prevent delays. The BOM's impact extends beyond the factory floor. It aids in generating accurate quotes and streamlines procurement. Truly, the BOM is the unsung hero of efficient manufacturing. Section 6. Conclusion. BOM, an indispensable tool. जैसे हमने देखा, the bill of materials सिर्फ एक लिस्ट से कहीं ज़्यादा है. It's the backbone of modern manufacturing, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. From the smallest screw to the most complex assembly, the BOM brings order to chaos, transforming engineering dreams into tangible realities. तो चाहे आप एक seasoned engineer हो या एक curious mind, Remember the bomb. It's a testament to the power of meticulous planning and the foundation upon which countless innovations are built. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep playing Kaun Banega Crorepati.